This is one of those accessories that doesn't look impressive on the surface, but becomes surprisingly important the moment you actually need it. We're looking at a HDMI-A to DVI, male, bi-directional adapter cable pack designed for 1080p video output, gold-plated connectors, and simple plug-and-play compatibility. It's built for connecting modern HDMI devices like laptops and PCs to older DVI monitors or projectors without needing any software, drivers, or setup process. And honestly, that simplicity is the entire point here. During testing, the first setup was a standard desktop connected to an older DVI monitor. The moment it was plugged in, the display came alive instantly at 1080p resolution. No flickering, no signal handshake delays, no resolution mismatch issues. It just synced and stayed stable. That's important because low-cost adapters in this category often fail right here. You usually see issues like random black screens, unstable resolution scaling, or intermittent signal drops. But in this case, the output remained consistent under normal use. Next, the same adapter was tested with a laptop HDMI output connected to a secondary DVI monitor. Again, the result was immediate display output with stable 1080p performance. No additional configuration required. One thing that always needs to be clear with HDMI to DVI connections is audio. This setup does not carry sound. That's not a limitation of the adapter itself, but rather a restriction of the DVI standard. It is strictly a video-only connection, so external audio solutions are needed if you're building a full setup. In terms of construction, this is very much a functional, budget-oriented product. You get a simple black cable design, standard connectors, and gold-plated tips. The gold plating is mainly for corrosion resistance over time rather than any noticeable performance boost. The cable is flexible enough for desk setups, and the strain relief is adequate for everyday use. What actually makes this pack more useful than a single cable is the quantity. Having multiple adapters changes how you use them. One can stay permanently in a workstation, another in a travel bag, and another kept as a backup. That kind of redundancy is extremely useful in real-world setups where cables tend to disappear behind desks or get swapped between devices frequently. During movement testing, the cable was lightly adjusted while maintaining signal output to check for instability. There were no noticeable disconnects, flickers, or resolution resets. For short-distance use cases like this 3-foot design, it maintained a stable connection throughout. Of course, this is not a premium-grade accessory. There's no braided exterior, no reinforced metal housing, and no high-end industrial design features. But that's not what this product is trying to be. It's a utility-focused solution built for one job: stable HDMI to DVI conversion. And in that role, it performs exactly as expected. Where this kind of adapter makes the most sense is in budget PC builds, office environments, and setups that still rely on older monitors or projectors. It's also useful for anyone managing multiple workstations where compatibility between new and legacy hardware is still a requirement. At the end of the day, this is not the kind of product you buy for excitement. It's the kind of product you buy for reliability. And when it comes to simple display connectivity, that reliability is what actually matters. If you need a straightforward HDMI to DVI solution, this adapter pack gets the job done without complications. If you want to purchase it, check the link in the description.